1983, Kevin Eastman and Peter Laird draw 4 turtles and name them after Renaissance artists Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and Raphael. With $2,000, they print 3,000 copies of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Eastman and Laird sign a contract on a napkin, and within a month, deals are made for merchandise of all types. The cartoon airs, and the Playmates sell action figure sets. Ninja Turtles hit the arcade, debut on every gaming system, and the original movie becomes the highest grossing independent film of its time. Kids in the UK buy turtles as pets, and they get released into the wild, disrupting the ecosystem. The Ninja Turtles team up with the Power Rangers, Nickelodeon purchases the rights for $60 million, and the original sketch sells at auction for $71,700. Fans around the globe will always love the Heroes in a Half Shell.